Welcome to my class, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I think you are fine. I'm also fine. Today we will discuss in this class a very interesting topic of grammar. You will get pleasure from this class, I think. So let's start our class. At first, I like to introduce myself, and this is your teacher's identity. You are getting a picture. This is my picture, and at the same time, I'm giving my identity. AKM Abdul Hamid Bhuya, Head of the Department of English, Longodo Government College, Longodo Rangamati. Yes. Our today's class topic is special uses of phrases or words. Special uses of phrase and words. Learning outcome of this class. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to solve special phrases and words, use them properly. Okay, now we will discuss here some rules of special uses. So follow these rules with deep attention so that you can understand them properly. Okay, dear students, this is the first rule. Was born or be born, that means is born. It is also known to us that is born or was born. However, this is the first rule, and the direction জন্ম শুরু থেকে বুঝাতে be born, that means am is born, or the auxiliary verb will be in the present form. Example, he is born as Div. You just give your attention to the auxiliary verb here, is born. There are two options only you have to use in case that is was born and is born. If the condition is জন্ম শুরু থেকে বুঝাতে, at the very beginning of your birth, it is of one's birth is meant if we use is born. Okay, now জন্ম তারিখ জন্মস্থান থাকলে, do you understand the date of birth or the place of birth? If it is noticed after the vacant places, then the answer would be was born. This can be also were born, and if the noun is plural. Okay, the example is Tanvir was born in 2011. So this is regarding a single person, that's why the auxiliary verb is given here, was born. So I think this simple rule you can understand. Now in the next rule number 2, we are getting here have to and has to. This is an obligatory duty or obligation that we have to follow. Someone has to follow. So have to or has to, you just say have to has to equal to must. The word must is known to all because something we are bound to do, or we are bound to follow. In the sense we generally use must. Just in from the sense of must, we have to know about have to and has to. In Bangla it is written here অর্থে, have to must অর্থে, অর্থাৎ বাধ্যবাধকতা প্রয়োজনীয় অর্থে ব্যবহৃত করতে. Suppose I think you can understand I must play. What is the this is an emphasis sentence. There is an emphasis in the sentence. I must play. That means it is sure that he will play. Okay, now the example. I want to be promoted, so I have to pass in the examination. The use of have to in the second sentence, you just see I have to pass. There is no alternative way of getting the promotion. So it is mandatory or obligatory. That's why I have to pass the exam. The sense, could you get the sense? Okay, thank you. In the next rule, let alone. চিন্তা করা যায় না, ভাবা যায় না, এরূপ অর্থে let alone ব্যবহৃত হয়. Do you understand? You just look at the example and you will understand. He cannot walk a kilometer, let alone 5 kilometers. Cannot walk, someone cannot walk a kilometer, 1 kilometer. So it is very difficult for him, it will be more difficult for him to walk 5 kilometers. So this is absolutely not possible or impossible thing. There will be a comparison. You will get a comparison in both sides of the vacant places. Suppose in the let alone, before the let alone we are getting a kilometer, and after the let alone subsequently we are getting 5 kilometer. So 1 kilometer, 5 kilometer, the thing is understandable, I think. Walking a kilometer is difficult for someone. So it is sure that he will also be unable to walk 5 kilometers. It will be more harder for it. It will be harder for the person. So you can understand this sense. Now rule number 4, would rather than, would sooner than. এর অর্থ বরং তবুও. would rather than modal ইহা প্রেজেন্ট ফর্মের আগে বসে. দুটি কাজ বা অবস্থার মাঝে দুটিই কঠিন, তার মধ্যে থেকে একটি পছন্দনীয় হলে উড রাদার ব্যবহৃত হয়. সাধারণত এরপরে দেন থাকে. ওকে, ভেরি সিম্পল. এক্সাম্পল ইজ I would rather starve than steal. Actually, both the functions are not choiceable to someone, that is starving or stealing. But between these two functions, the earlier one is somewhat choiceable than the later one, more choiceable. So in that sense, I would rather starve than stealing. Okay, thanks. Had better, বরং ভালো. There will be a suggestion or a sort of advice from someone, from the well-wisher of someone. Example is, you had better go home now. Suppose you are seeking a suggestion from someone, and he advises you in this way, you had better go now. That means he is giving emphasis for going home. This is an advice, I think. You can understand. In the 6, what if কি হবে, কি হয় যদি, কি হবে যদি, কি হতো যদি. In this sense, in Bangla, what if কি হয় যদি, কি হবে যদি. কোনো কিছু ঘটার ভয় প্রকাশ করতে what if ব্যবহৃত হয়. এর সাধারণত একটি ড্যাশ এবং শেষে প্রশ্নচিহ্ন থাকে. ওকে, example is, what if I had been in the journey. This is a sort of tension or confusion, that what if I had been in the journey, that could be more dangerous, or that could be more happier. These sorts of shankos, hesitation is felt here. Okay, what if the characteristics of the sentence is, at the very beginning you will get the vacant places, and at the last of the sentence you will get a question mark, note of introduction, query, note of a query you will get at the end of the sentence. So in that sense you will use what if. Now, rule number 7, what's dash like, or what does look like. কারোর আচরণ, স্বাস্থ্য, মনের অবস্থা, কোনো অদ্ভুত বা কাল্পনিক কিছু দেখতে ইত্যাদি সম্বন্ধে জানার জন্য হোয়াটস লাইক হোয়াট ডাজ লুক লাইক ব্যবহৃত হয়. এর সাধারণত দুটি ড্যাশ এবং শেষে প্রশ্নচিহ্ন থাকে. The most important thing is that this is the only role where you will get 2 vacant places or 2 dashes, and that's why if you give your attention to the dashes, you will be confirmed to use these roles here, and you will get at the end of the sentence a question. This is a question